Hello guys, welcome back to QuadPod. So today I'm going to the Expo 2020 test event. So this is actually a test event that is happening before the official opening of the Expo 2020. So I'm actually trying to take the bus today. So there's going to be a bus arriving here in about 10 minutes, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to go to the Expo site. So today we did have tickets, and these were actually free tickets for us, and we can go to the Expo 2020 event. So there's actually one of the bus stations here in Sharjah that is next to Dubai. It's an Emirate in UAE. So just have a look around. So this is one of the stations here in Sharjah. So it's actually pretty good, and we have the air conditioning units here. So it's really good, and the buses here are actually air conditioned. I will be showing it to you, after some time. And later down the way, I'm going to even show a video of the metro here in Dubai. So that's for a later video. And today, let's just start off with the Expo 2020. So we have finally arrived at the Expo site. So we have just parked the car. So something unfortunate happened, and we were not able to access the bus. So actually, what happened was an official reached us, and he told us that the buses are just for trial nowadays. So we did consult him before that, and he told us that it will be coming in 5 minutes. But still, we still did have a car, so we just took the car since taking the metro will be late. So we just took the car and we came here. So basically, I think it's going to take us more time. We have to take a bus from here, and then we have to go inside the expo site. Alright, so it's going to take some more time, but I think we'll be able to go through it. And actually, he reached us very kindly, so I think I'd appreciate that. He very kindly approached us, and he explained to us why the bus isn't coming and it's just a trial bus. So it was really appreciative of him, and I think we'll have a great time here today. Alright guys, so now we have reached the Expo 2020 site. So we actually had to take a shuttle bus from the parking area to our expo site over here. So as you can see, there are many flags over here. So these are the flags of the participating nations. And as you can see over there is a monument there, as you can see, and that is the entrance. So we'll head over to that side and we'll go in. So what you can see behind me is the sustainability pavilion entrance. So this looks so grand, as you can see over here. So I can't wait to get in. So we just now passed through the ticket counter. So it had a unique system. So it had taken the biometric scan of us. So we had to actually first scan the tickets over there, and then it took a biometric scan. So it was super nice. Okay, and I don't know what it exactly is for, but it was super good. And now we are actually inside the pavilion. That is the sustainability pavilion. And it's super, awesome monuments in here, guys. And there are some speakers, some really good speakers that are playing some music here. So I'll show you. So here you see are kind of like sonar panels. So just super cool. It's kind of like an artificial sunflower, but then just huge. Seriously, it's huge. Alright, and here there's another building. So we're gonna head inside all of these. So what you see here, guys, is the Singapore Pavilion. So this just looks super cool. It's like an infinity pool here, and then the Singapore sign. This looks so cool. I think this is the general idea for all. And as you can see, it kind of looks like a rainforest here, guys. Just take a close look here. So this here is the Netherlands Pavilion. So right now, because of the test event, we don't have access to the inside of any of these pavilions here. But then from the outside itself, these look super cool. And the Singapore Pavilion is just so good. And this kind of looks like an amphitheater or something. I'm not really sure what it is, but I think when it opens up, it's going to be something amazing. So guys, so this is actually the first pavilion that we can actually go into. So this is the Aotearoa. Okay, hey, what is that? Aotearoa New Zealand Pavilion. It's kind of good. And so this is the Esplanade Pavilion. So this actually looks pretty unique. As you can see, there's something different from the other pavilions. Near the center, so this is actually what all the pavilions are following. In the center is the the country that it represents, and this thing also looks super unique. So here the water is being supplied by the Aquafina company, and the best thing about this is that since it's a sustainability pavilion, and I think for the overall of Expo, they're actually using these sustainable bottles that are the aluminum bottles. Alright guys, so I'm going to actually try to recycle one of these into these bins here. So it's actually super good. So it says it putting down. It actually opens here. I'm going to just put that in.
Thank you for using
So it told me thanks, as if you have noticed, you would have seen. And it actually shows the export oil logo now here. And it actually shows a green light. I think that it shows that how full it is. So it's actually pretty full right now. It is halfway full, and when it becomes full, I think it's gonna show red. So it's actually super amazing. So guys, this is the Italia Pavilion. So this is basically Italy Pavilion, and it looks super unique actually. As you can see, it's kind of like a hill over here. It looks super unique. So yeah, like we have the escalator down here. So it's also now open, as you can see. Okay, so these guys are super friendly here, and actually, this is the entrance right there. So it looks super nice. So guys, these are actually made of ropes, as you can see here. This is actually super cool, and there aren't really any glasses here. There's just directly the ropes here. So this is just an amazing technology. Alright guys, so next coming up is the Music Myths of Israel. So this is the Israel Pavilion, and actually that's kind of like a music show. I'm not exactly sure how it works. I think it just mixes around a couple of different clips. I'm actually saying this because there are these numbers. So I think there are a couple of different clips, and it just adds these together. I think it uses artificial intelligence, and the program adds it all together to bring out a wonderful music. So I think it's not currently active, it just shows it, but I don't think it's really active right now. But I think when it fully opens up, it will be. Alright guys, so now we are finally to the India Pavilion. So as you can see, there is it's written in Hindi, it's written as Bharat, which means India. So it's super nice, you see. So it is actually greeted with so many languages. Okay, so there are so many languages in India, so it's greeted with, I think, all of them. I'm not really sure what these languages are, but I do know that it's English, and then it looks like Hindi to me, and I guess it's Urdu, and it's the welcome sign that is used all over the Bharat. And that is Tamil. So these are the languages that I know from India. So, and I also guess that is Urdu. This looks super cool. And alright guys, so this is the DP World. This also looks super cool. So this is called the Firdaus. Actually, one of our producers' name is also Firdaus. So this is Firdaus by A.R. Rahman. So if you, in case that you didn't know who A.R. Rahman is, it's actually a South Indian music producer. And this is the DP World, that is the Dubai Ports World Pavilion here. So these all look like super cool, and these aren't really open yet. And just see how tall that is. You can see that. Okay, and also, oh, that is one big container in there. So I'm not really sure what these stuff are really right now because it's not really open to us. But pretty soon I'm gonna come back here and it's fully open, and I'm gonna go inside each pavilion and I'm gonna show you what it is. So this is the USA Pavilion, United States of America. Alright, so it's like super cool. Everything is just super crowded right now because it's kind of like the beginning. Alright, and the logo of the United States right there. Alright guys, so right now we are in front of the desert farm. So like a small pavilion, just super small. And let's try to head over.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you, brother?
Good, how are you?
Good. Take a picture.
Alright, so now we are heading in. So I just wanted to notice these hand sanitizer stands. So these are of course automated, and it's actually sponsored by Dettol. Okay. So these are actually super cool, and it's actually saying that even if the water is hot, it does not have a real problem. So the water that goes inside this actually comes out and does this irrigation here. So that's how it works. So basically these are just, I guess, these are just filtered water. So fish on land. So tilapia is a fast growing fish. So right now just pause it for a second and take a look at this. So these are actually filtered water. Alright, so this filtered water is actually going to the aquarium, and then from the aquarium actually comes to these plants. So this is superhero. So that's actually burger patty, the boiled potato with salicornia, and the quinoa and salopenia salad, and the salopenia tacos. Hi. Alright, so these are just super cool, and just take a look at this monument right here. Alright guys, so this is the Emirates Pavilion here. So it's using the standard Emirates colors, that is the red and the white. This is actually looking very good. And the thing that I really like about this place is that it's so easy to navigate through, guys. Just look at this. It's just showing each and every part so clearly. And if you just start to walk in between of this, that is the main street here, you can see that there are the different pavilion names. For example, the Palestine Pavilion that says the state of Palestine, and it just looks so amazing. Guys, right now I'm going to the Fiji Pavilion here. From the outside, it looks pretty simple, but it's actually one of the less crowded ones here, and it's actually the first thing that you're gonna take a look into. There's a photo booth. ships here. This looks so cool. Just look at that. A cloud with a landscape. Experience Fiji. A VR. Kalu to swim. Reza to see. Nis to dance. Boy to smell. And then finally Kitora to play. This is a must visit attraction. Sit over. YouTube. Nice. I can come here to see YouTube now. So it says that Fiji is family and community oriented. I just try to cover as much as I can in here. The story of resilience. And it kind of looks like a tornado down here, guys. It just looks so cool. I can easily see that. This is one of the most simplest looking pavilions from outside, one of the coolest from the inside. So right now, I'm done with the Fiji pavilion, and next I'm gonna head over to the Zambia pavilion. Now I'm entering the Zambia pavilion. So I guess that these are some of the fossils found in Africa, and I'm not sure if they're real ones. Wait, these aren't fossils really, guys. Just kidding. These are just actually woodworks that came from Zambia. This looks so cool. I'm gonna head my way out, and I'm just gonna head over to get something to eat, and then we'll continue on our journey back inside the Expo 2020. We're gonna head over to some Domino's. Alright guys, so right now we're heading out as it's close to the closing time. So it was actually a great experience that I had today in the Expo 2020, and I think it's worth a visit. I will definitely be coming back here, before 10s, and I think we'll be, continuously hearing the word Expo 2020 and seeing many videos for the next 6 months based on the theme of Expo 2020. So Agenda 2063, the Africa we want. This stuff is so cool.